This case has touched a raw nerve in Sudan. According to Amnesty International, Dr. Meriam Yehya Ibrahim, who is 8 months pregnant, was raised as a Christian. But the authorities consider her to be a Muslim. That's because that was the faith of her father. As a result, the court has given her 3 days to recant her Christianity and revert to Islam or be hanged. She was also convicted of adultery on the grounds that her marriage to a Christian man from South Sudan was void under Sudan's version of Islamic law, which says Muslim women cannot marry non-Muslims. Her lawyers are determined to appeal this verdict.
There are legal restrictions that prevent the punishment because she's pregnant. According to the law, no punishment is allowed until she gives birth and breastfeed for 2 years. Our strategy will be to challenge the verdict at the Appeal Court, the Supreme Court and the Constitutional Court. We had several similar cases, but they were slightly different. The only similar case was that of martyr Mahmoud Muhammad Taha, who did not convert from Islam. His trial was basically a political one. Apart from that, there were those who claimed they were God or something, but no punishment was ever put in place.
Protesters gathered outside the court in Khartoum, both her supporters and those who back the punishment. Mary has a right to be a Christian, says the poster on the left here, and I have the right to choose any religion, says the one to the right.
The problem is that the ruling was a swift one, a death sentence taken so quickly.
This is a new and dangerous phenomenon. In my opinion, this is a kind of missionary. This is the first of a series to prompt apostasy.
There is a long-running debate in Islam whether apostasy is a crime. While death sentences are rarely carried out in Sudan, this case has attracted international concern and calls for the immediate release of Dr. Meriam Yehya Ibrahim. Alex Jakana, BBC News.